Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Realme 6i. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices. Then you need to tap on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. Following that, open it. Now click I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now we have to wait for this one and do the same. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then you have to click send on an Android and receive on Realme. After that, click on all of those kind of dots and choose send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will only go with, for example, this one photo. Choose send and click got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and then select receive or scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, tap on the scanning icon over here, choose allow and point your device's camera at the code. Now we have to wait a second, and as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to check it out for sure though, you can always go into some kind of files app like File Manager, click on, in my case, Images and tap on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!